In the era of disruptive technological and industrial revolution of mechanical engineering and allied areas, Department of Mechanical Engineering of VNR Vijnan Jyoti transformed traditional mode of learning into the level of Industry 4.0 and co-working of men and machine. We are proud to mention that design thinking is made as part of our curriculum. Students are competitively trained on design technologies such as automation, robotics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and 3D printing applications in mechanical engineering.
We're talking about the opportunities in mechanical engineering field for the students who are getting graduated in this discipline. In fact, I can say the mechanical engineers have a widely spread across various fields in the manufacturing industry as well as in the IT industry. They have to play a very important role, especially in production, design, testing, installation, the maintenance, etc. etc. So, mechanical field is a basic function of any engineering in any engineering field. As I said earlier, be it in a manufacturing, be it in the IT industry, or for example, even in industries like pharma, where there's a lot of maintenance is required for the equipment.
I'm very much thankful to VNR VJIT and most importantly Department of Mechanical Engineering for playing the crucial role. The department strive hard to give the conceptual clarity and understand the things in a practical way. The faculty here are very much supportive and encourage students to be part of the research work that is being carried out by the department.
The most important and interesting thing in the mechanical engineering is we feel what we learn. That means, suppose let's say if we learn petrol engine today and in the next class tomorrow we can go to the lab and we can disassemble the petrol engine and we can feel the parts and we can analyze the parts, and by knowing the movement and the functioning of the parts. Thus, we can know the how the vehicles and the machineries around us are functioning.
I would like to thank my college, especially my mechanical department, who supported me in providing a platform to set my career up. And I would also like to thank my esteemed faculties of mechanical department for preparing me in building my technical skills, like providing many certification courses in CATIA, non-destructive testing, ANSYS, as well as CNC programming, and so much.
I'm always grateful for the faculty and the college for providing me the opportunity and the support, because of which I'm here today, and I'm very thankful for this opportunity.